In the arid expanse of ancient Persia, a remarkable innovation flourished: the Yakhchals. These ingenious ice storage systems harness the power of radiative cooling to produce ice amidst the relentless desert heat. But what secrets did this fascinating technique hold for the preservation of food? As we journey further back in time, we encounter the ingenious wind catchers of ancient Persia and Egypt. These architectural marvels acted as natural air conditioning, artfully channeling refreshing breezes into the homes of inhabitants. Imagine the relief they provided in the face of sweltering temperatures. Transitioning through time, we witness how modern designs have evolved from these ancient methods. By blending traditional elements with innovative ideas, features such as perforated screens for shade and airflow have emerged. But how do these age-old techniques continue to shape our architecture today? In the heart of Roman culture, the frigidarium served as more than a bath. It was a community hub. Here, patrons relaxed after the intense heat of the calarium, showcasing the value placed on social gathering spaces in ancient civilizations. What stories linger in the echoes of those bustling gatherings? Venturing into the depths of maritime history, the discovery of the Bomb Jesus shipwreck reveals the intricate web of 16th-century trade routes. Riches exchanged across the seas highlight the significance of exploration in shaping economies. What treasures remain hidden beneath the waves? Recent archaeological finds, including ancient storage jars, unveil the navigational prowess of early mariners who traversed the Mediterranean Sea. Their remarkable ability to trade hints at sophisticated maritime practices that once thrived across vast waters. What untold stories lie within these relics, waiting to be uncovered? Yet, not all is well. The ship's wooden hull lies fragile, corroded by the relentless assault of tiny sea creatures. Researchers find themselves in a race against time, navigating careful studies to prevent further deterioration. What secrets could be lost forever if they fail? Meanwhile, another shipwreck has emerged off the coast of Kenya, potentially linked to Vasco da Gama's final voyage. This find emphasizes the relentless spirit of European exploration in the 16th century. What mysteries of the past might this shipwreck unveil? In a different realm of discovery, the ongoing quest for the elusive Mongolian deathworm captivates the imagination. Humanity's fascination with cryptids drives countless expeditions into the unknown, but what truths lie in wait amidst the myths? Along the shifting sands of the desert, a phenomenon known as singing sands or booming sands emerges. These grains produce loud, haunting notes, an auditory spectacle far removed from the typical sounds of sandy beaches. What scientific revelations could this eerie music hold? But what does it take for dunes to create these fascinating musical sounds? Specific factors must align: the shape of the sand grains, the size of the dune, and, crucially, dry conditions. Not every dune can produce this symphony of sound. Which ones hold the key? Intriguingly, scientists have performed experiments, sliding down dunes to evoke the singing effect. They've discovered that a packed layer of sand acts like a giant speaker, amplifying sound. What might this tell us about the intricate acoustics of deserts? As we pivot to the bustling city of Phoenix, the snowmelt from northern mountains proves crucial for its water supply. In a landscape where drought looms, this resilience highlights snowpack's vital role in effective water management. What challenges lie ahead for this desert metropolis? The Central Arizona Project stands as a testament to regional collaboration, transporting water from the Colorado River to sustain communities. This ambitious initiative illustrates how interconnected water systems shape our everyday lives. Could there be more partners in this water dance? With the arrival of rain in Phoenix, a unique earthy scent arises from the creosote bush, creating a sensory experience that both enchants and connects the community. This natural phenomenon enhances the atmosphere. What role does it play in shaping local identity? On a cosmic frontier, drilling deep into Mars' crust to access potential water reservoirs emerges as an enormous challenge. Advanced technology and meticulous planning are paramount in this monumental task. What risks do researchers face in their race to unearth Martian secrets? However, Mars presents formidable foes: Extreme cold and low atmospheric pressure complicate any drilling endeavors. Specialized equipment must be devised to thrive in these unwelcoming conditions. But how prepared are we to brave such an alien landscape? Excitingly, research has unveiled another vast lake of liquid water beneath Mars' southern pole, holding the potential to unlock secrets about the planet's ancient history. Probing this hidden reservoir might offer a more attainable first step into Martian exploration. What truths does it conceal beneath its icy depths? Turning back in time, we uncover that the Sahara Desert was once a fertile paradise, flourishing with advanced irrigation systems devised by the Garamantes. However, as populations grew, these systems couldn't sustain them. What led to this profound transformation in such an unforgiving landscape? Ancient paintings and carvings scattered across Africa offer glimpses into the lives of people during the Green Sahara period. These artifacts reflect a vibrant culture that once thrived where now only sand reigns. What narratives linger within these faded images? To survive in extreme environments like deserts requires profound knowledge of local flora and fauna. Understanding the behavior of plants and animals is essential for locating food and water sources. What survival secrets could nature still reveal? In the unforgiving desert, the threat of dehydration looms larger than the risk of drowning. When unexpected rains arrive, seeking high ground becomes imperative to avoid perilous flooding. How can one navigate such treacherous conditions? The Marathon Deeb in northern Africa showcases the extreme challenges faced by its participants. Mororo's harrowing experience, getting lost and surviving a week in the desert, embodies the dire stakes of such an arduous journey. What lessons in resilience can be drawn from a story? On deserted islands, securing fresh water and food becomes a matter of life and death. Techniques like creating solar stills and recognizing safe fruits can dramatically enhance survival chances. What other strategies are hidden within nature's bounty? In ancient Egypt, King Senusret III's burial included boats that symbolized his journey to the afterlife, a reflection of deep-seated beliefs surrounding the sun god Ra. This reveals the significant role ships played in their cultural identity. What further mysteries lie nestled in the sands of time? The remarkable discovery of the lost city of Aten, situated near Cairo, opens a window into daily life in ancient Egypt that dates back 3,000 years. This archaeological site serves as a testament to the civilization's wealth and rich cultural tapestry. What untold stories wait to be revealed? Continuing the journey through time, we learn that ancient Egyptians were pioneers in iron production. The discovery of iron artifacts from fallen meteorites showcases their remarkable craftsmanship and early technological innovations. What other advancements might have remained hidden from history? Island gigantism emerges as a captivating phenomenon, where species on isolated land masses grow larger due to fewer predators and abundant resources. This intriguing occurrence has been observed throughout history in various animal species. What evolutionary secrets does it hold? Yet, the Sahara Desert was not always barren. It once thrived with large animals and diverse plant life. Evidence like ancient drawings depict crocodiles, not camels, roaming the lush landscape. What else remains hidden beneath the creeping sands of the desert? Desertification transforms once fertile lands into desolate deserts, often aggravated by human actions. Currently, global efforts seek to combat this pressing issue through sustainable land management practices. Can these initiatives turn the tide against nature's relentless march? Among the ancient innovations, the fogueras, a sophisticated irrigation system developed by North Africans, provided access to underground water sources in the harsh desert. This remarkable solution allowed for sustainable living and agriculture. What other forgotten technologies may yet be unearthed? Recent explorations have unearthed relics like old dynamites and vintage sardine cans near bewildering circles in the desert. Researchers have traced these artifacts back to oil surveying activities from the 1950s and 1960s. What stories do these remnants tell of a bygone era? Alongside these mysterious circles, peculiar monuments, known as jeddars, have emerged in Algeria. These pyramid-like structures served as burial sites for ancient nomadic peoples. What secrets might these silent sentinels of history harbor? The Nabateans, renowned for their construction of Petra, were not only skilled engineers, but also adept traders. Their extraordinary ability to carve intricate structures from sandstone continues to captivate researchers. What other wonders did they leave behind in the sands of time? Nestled nearby, the ancient city of Median once served as a second capital for the Nabatean kingdom. With over 100 intricately decorated tombs and numerous inscriptions, it stands as a cornerstone of historical importance. What narratives could emerge from this ancient capital? In the remote expanses of Mongolia, the desert post office has gained fame for allowing letters and postcards to be sent from one of the world's most isolated locations. This intersection of isolation and communication sparks curiosity about the human connection in the vastness. As we gaze towards the cosmos, the Earth's magnetic field emerges as a guardian, generated by the movement of liquid metal in its outer core. This magnetic force is crucial for life, shielding the planet from harmful solar radiation. How does this invisible shield shape our existence? Yet, climate change and the melting of glaciers are shifting the Earth's axis, resulting in unpredictable weather patterns and disturbances in ecosystems worldwide. Regions like the Himalayas and Alaska face unprecedented changes. What consequences could unfold from this global phenomenon? A recent geological enigma unfolded in Tunisia as a lake appeared seemingly out of nowhere. This sudden formation raises concerns about safety, given the potential for stagnation and toxic elements. What risks does this new body of water entail for local inhabitants? In extreme conditions, like the hot lakes of our planet, life persists in fascinating forms. Microbes, discovered thriving in such inhospitable environments, ignite speculation about the adaptability of life. Could this hint at the existence of extraterrestrial beings beyond our world? Acid lakes found in Indonesia dazzle with vibrant colors, resulting from intricate chemical reactions involving sulfur dioxide. These unique bodies of water reveal the complex interplay between geology and biology. What other mesmerizing phenomena could our planet hold? Frozen methane bubbles rise from the depths of Lake Abraham, illustrating the transformation of organic material in frigid environments. This captivating phenomenon underscores the diverse and unpredictable chemical processes at play in varied climates. What treasures might lie beneath? However, meteorites lose their scientific value rapidly when left exposed on the ground, succumbing to the elements like rain and sun. This degradation complicates their study and analysis, raising questions about the preservation of cosmic history. What insights could slip through our fingers? In the quaint town of Nördling, Germany, constructed over a meteorite crater from 15 million years ago, locals unknowingly walk atop hidden diamonds embedded within the ground. This geological history remains obscured to the eye. What other secrets does the Earth conceal beneath our feet? In Costa Rica, the enigmatic, perfectly round stone spheres created by ancient civilizations invite endless speculation regarding their purpose. Were they tools for astronomical studies or symbols of power? The mystery lingers. What tales do these spheres have yet to tell?